Hello everyone, welcome back to the image processing session. In this session, we will see the basic difference between the figure and the subplot method available in Scilab. We start with the figure method. Figure is a method available in Scilab or MATLAB which is used to create a figure of graphics objects. Suppose I want to display any graphics object in a proper window. At that time we have to use a figure object. Figure objects are the individual windows on the screen in which MATLAB display a graphical output. Figure is used to display any graphical output on the display window. Figure creates a new figure object using a default property. The title of the window, the background color of the window, the color of the title, all these are set by default. We have only call this figure object. To create any figure object, there is a syntax figure and num. This num indicates we have to write the figure number, whether it is 1, figure number 1, figure number 2, and so on. Now we will see the practical demonstration of this figure object in the Scilab. So we move to the Scilab. Now in this we will create a file, SCI notes, cancel it. Now first of all we read the image in the Scilab. That I am declaring a variable which is used to store the image data. Suppose the variable is your img1 and the library is imread. Within single quotes we will write a path. Here we have images img1, img2, img3. All the images have the extension .jpg. We can check it. See, this is your .jpg extension image. Now copy this path and paste in single quotes and write img1 .jpg. This is my first image. Same I will write the code for this second image img2 imread. Again paste the path slash write img2.jpg. img3 variable imread within single quotes again paste the path and img3.jpg. These are my three images and I am reading the images in img1, img2 and img3 variable. Now we will display these images by using a figure method. Figure, and in figure we have to write a figure number. Suppose I am writing 1. This is my first figure. Now we will give a title to the figure. This is my first, within single quotes write first image, and to display the image library is imshow and the image is stored in img1. These are the three lines for displaying a first figure. In the same way we will write figure number 2. Again give the title to the figure, within single quotes write second image, and again imshow img2. Same write figure number 3, then title, within single quotes write third image. You can give any title and then imshow. Within imshow img3. Now we will save this program or code, Control S. Just save this in E drive, image processing, and data in this way. This is my P2. Now we will execute this program. There is an option execute and save and execute, or you can press a F5. As you can see here, 3 different windows are displayed, for one for each image. All these properties are default properties. We only just display the image and give the title. These all are the default properties inherited from the system. The figure method display a figure on individual window. This is the individual window for first figure, then second figure, and then third figure. Now we will see the second part of the video, that is your subplot method. Most of the time in image processing we will use a subplot method to display the graphics object. What is the basic difference between the figure and the subplot? We can see here subplot m, n, p. That means subplot method uses the 3 parameters m, n, and p that helps to plot a multiple graphics on a single graphic window. That means in figure we already saw for each image it display a separate window, but in subplot a single window has a multiple graphics object. This is the main difference between a figure and the subplot. Now the subplot breaks the window into m by n matrix. That means m and n indicates the division of the window. Like suppose we are writing here 2, 2. That means we are dividing the graphics window into 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns. That means we dividing the window into 4 parts, 2 for rows and 2 for columns. Right? The third number, what the third number indicates? The third number indicates the number of plot. Here we have selected the first plot. First we can select a first, then we can select a second. In this way we can select a different plots. Now we will see the demonstration of this subplot in Scilab. Let us move to the Scilab. Then just create a new file, new. Now we are reading the same images as we read in the figure method. We will be using the same these 3 images. Just copy this code and paste here. Now we will use a subplot method, subplot, and here 3 parameters have to be passed. I am passing 2, 2, 1. That means the entire window is divided into 2 rows and 2 columns. That means it has a 4 parts, and I am displaying a first figure on the position 1. Then title, give the title to the image. Again first image, and then I am show img1. We can write this 3 line in a single line. Just see subplot 2, 2, 2, and then write comma here. Do not write semicolon. If you want to write the semicolon, then you will write the code in the next line. Otherwise, if you want to write the entire 3 lines as a single line, just separate each line by a semicolon. Now write title, then I single quote, within single quotes write second image, and then comma I am show img3, and then semicolon. Same subplot 2, 2, 3, comma title within single quotes write down third image, and then comma I am show. Again save this file img, this is img2 and this is my third image. Then save, Ctrl S. This is my p3. Now execute, save and execute. As we can see here, the subplot divides the entire window into 4 parts, and since we are using only 3 parts, that's why this part is blank. Suppose we have a fourth image, you can display here. This is my first image, that is your 2, 2, 1. Then second image 2, 2, 2, and third image 2, 2, 3. And this is a blank. Why? Because we have only uses a 3 images. That's why this space is blank. This is the basic difference between the figure and the subplot method. I hope you understood this session. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.